We're at iMedical Equipment and Service, and we're looking at the Hillrom P1900 TotalCare Sport 2 hospital bed. And the Hillrom P1900 TotalCare Sport is one of the most popular air mattress hospital beds. I wanted to do a quick video because we sell the hospital bed partially refurbished and fully refurbished. And we have a partially refurbished on the left and a fully refurbished on the right. And I just want to go real quick over some of the basic differences about the two beds and the process that's gone through on those. So the Hillrom P1900 bed is one of the only beds that sits fully into a chair position. It's very popular because it sits fully into a chair. It also has features where it will do a percussion vibration. It'll also do, that's basically pulmonary. It'll do lateral rotation, which basically means it'll turn the person left to right, and you can go from a 10-degree turn to a complete 100-degree turn. And then it also does have a low air loss feature that runs a layer of air-conditioned air over the top of the hospital bed. Now, the Hillrom P1900 TotalCare bed is one of the few beds not only that does sit fully into a chair, but also operates on hydraulics. And for people not familiar with this bed, it's the hydraulics on these beds that seem to cause the most service issues. They have valves and they have a hydraulic block, and it's usually going to be one of those two things that's going to have issues when the bed is going to require service. So on both these bed models, the hydraulics are completely replaced. We're putting brand new hydraulic blocks in there, not brand new, but completely refurbished ones. And that's done at a factory where they go through factory testing, and it's being done by people that have been working on Hillrom beds for over 25 years. So they're very skilled technicians that know the bed parts very well. And then they're also putting in brand new valves. And so that is the basic thing that's done on the on both the bed models. Now, on the partially refurbished bed, we're making sure that the bed's going to get all that type of work done, cleaning out and replacing the hydraulic fluid, going through and doing a complete preventive maintenance service on the bed. There's some other things that are done with just modifying the rails and making sure that they're all cleaned and sanded down and making sure that they look as as good as possible. Not brand new plastic, but if you look at them here, you can see that are going to go ahead and replace the plastic pieces on here to show that there's no wear really on those sections of the bed. And then they're also going to put in brand new well, not brand new, but once again fully refurbished modules, and those once again also go through a factory setting where they're being professionally rebuilt and then reinstalled. And for anybody that wants to know what the modules are, the modules basically sit behind the bed right here. And you've got three modules that go into this bed model. If I can get this plastic here. And so this is a tray that comes right down, and you've got 1, 2, 3 different modules. So these modules basically add the features. This is the low air loss, this is the rotation, and this is the percussion vibration. So the bed itself, even though it's got all the features built into the computer system, it will not function without those modules. And those modules do have a tendency from time to time to go out. So the modules are also completely redone. Now, the main difference between the fully refurbished and the partially refurbished is that they're going to get a brand new mattress cover. You can see that this one is brand new, still wrapped in plastic. And then also you're going to get all the brand new rails, all the brand new rail parts and pieces. And then also all these brackets you can see here, these are all going to be brand new. And then also you're also going to get brand new rail sections right here, the rail brackets. And then there's a few other aesthetic things that are done, but basically when the bed's going out fully refurbished, and we also can call that sometimes remanufactured, it's going to be basically a new condition. The partially refurbished bed is still going to be in excellent working condition, but just this mattress cover here, this Hillrom mattress cover, is about $1,800. So things like that will not be replaced, but the mattress itself will still come with a full 1-year warranty. So even though there might be a little bit of the verbiage on that mattress cover that's not fully legible, or you can see it's been wore down a little bit. They're still going to go through the mattress itself. They're still going to check all the air bladders. Everything's going to be in good working order, but it's going to save about $2,000 from not replacing that, and then not replacing simple things like brackets and other parts of the bed that normally are going to function fine. But when you're going to rebuild the bed and you're going to do it right, you would go ahead and just rebuild and replace every single part. So with the fully refurbished bed, what's happening is that it's being taken down to the frame, stripped down, go through a paint booth, and then basically being reassembled with all brand new parts, all brand new casters, wheels, the whole thing. So this video, once again, is about the Hillrom P1900 TotalCare Sport. It's one of the best hospital beds made. We sell these to ALS patients, MS patients. We sell these to paraplegic, quadriplegic, just about any type of patient that requires acute care or a very high level of care, that are patients at risk of getting bed sores or skin ulcers. The pulmonary feature on that bed with the percussion vibration, I've done videos where I demonstrate that. If you're looking for more features of the bed, you can go find other videos that I've done. We've been selling this bed now for about 8 to 9 years, and as we've sold the bed, we've decided that it's important to make sure that we're getting all the parts and pieces on this bed all redone before we let them go back out into service. So if you're looking for a Hillrom P1900 TotalCare Sport bed, give us a call at iMedical Equipment and Service. You can reach us in San Diego, California, 858-263-4894. Richmond, Virginia, 804-929-6886. And you can also get more information off our websites, which are www.imedicalshop.com, and another just on hospital beds, which is www.1hospitalbeds.com. And you can see that we sell a wide range of other Hillrom beds and striker beds as well. We've got a Hillrom progressive bed back here. We're going to do some videos on that. And we've got Hillrom Care Assist, Advantage and other beds here in our selection. So for more information on the Hillrom P1900 TotalCare Sport bed, to order the bed or get more information, give us a call. iMedical Equipment and Service, your one-stop shop for all your medical equipment needs, including hospital beds and the P1900 TotalCare Sport.